Hello friends, today I will show you how to design a simple battery level indicator circuit. Just glowing simple 6 LED means battery capacity as at 60%. You can use this circuit to check car battery or inverters. This circuit is based on LM3914 indicators. The circuit is designed to monitor 3 to 25 volts DC. So without any further delay, let's start building this circuit. We will use LM3914 IC, which has voltage reference from 1.2 volts to 15 volts DC. It also has a programmable output current from 2 mA to 30 milliamps. So first we will solder this IC to the dotted railway. In this circuit, we will use 10 LEDs, which will display the voltage status of the battery. We can also connect different colored LEDs to indicate the status. All the positive terminals of the LEDs are connected with a common wire, and the negative terminal is connected with IC LED 1 and 10 to 18. Friends, I have also made schematics which will be easy to understand for you and work accordingly if you follow this circuit diagram. I have also used one 47 kilo ohms resistor, one 4.7 kilo ohms resistor, one 68 kilo ohms resistor, and one 10K potentiometer. Friends, if you are planning to make one for yourself, then please follow the circuit diagram that I have provided in this video. Now all the connections have been done. Let's test this circuit. But first, we need to calibrate the voltage with the potentiometer. So let's do it first. I am using a simple 9 volt battery to get the battery voltage status. And watch, this gives me about 70% of the voltage status. Another one shows me only 20% voltage left in the battery. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and share. Thank you for watching.